which topic? Let's building first exercise are called. Now today I am going to explain the next exercise, page number 56, lesson number 8, exercise page 56. So take a book and take the page number 56. The heading is spellings. Some exercises are there, spellings. Look at the read the clues and add 2 letters needed to complete the word. That is the exercise. Okay. So take your pencil and eraser and complete it with all of you. First one. एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है मिस्ड जैसे भी ए राहुल रो विथ लाफर सीइंग द स्पाइडर डांसिंग आर ओ ए आर ई डी ए में आर ओ ए आर ई इतना दिया गया है ए और आर आपको ऐड करना है विच एक्सरसाइज ए ओके फर्स्ट वन ए एक्सरसाइज 2 दिस इज एक्सरसाइज 2 then dad and rahul dashed the floor cleaner rubbed rahul and scrubbed b का आंसर क्या आएगा scrubbed s c r u then double b E D. Then C. Rahul dashed very straight with his pet spider. Looked L double O K E D तो double O में आपको ऐड करना है स्पेलिंग ऐड करना है सभी का डबल आएगा राहुल एंड सोनिया GRI double LED GRI double NED grind. Now E. The dosa tested us if it had been dipped DI double PED dipped. तो दो P में आपको फिलअप करना है. Then F. Dad dashed the bottle in grandma's room and made a face. Smelled SMELLED. These are the answers of exercise 2. Write down all of you. Now, next exercise, exercise 3 cut. Now 4. Exercise 3 हम लोगों ने cut उसको कुछ नहीं करना. Now exercise 1 word for many words. Exercise 4 1 word for many words. Find a word that means the same as the sentences. A place that people visit to go, rides, eat, buy things and enjoy themselves. Answer A. That is that जहाँ आप लोग जाते हो, नाश्ता करते हो, राइड्स में बैठते हो और वस्तु खरीदते हो और एंजॉय करते हो, उस प्लेस का नाम क्या होता है? पार्क. उसका नाम है park. Okay, that is the answer. Now B. Next page. A group of people led by a chief and living in a particular area. So बोलते हैं tribe. 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 Now C. One who manages an elephant. Mohod. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Mohod. मोहत क्या बुलाते हैं मोहत Now, B. The light meal taken in the morning, breakfast. B-R-E-K-F-A-S-T, breakfast. Now E. A sparkling stone used in jewelry, ruby. R-U-B-Y, ruby. Now F. What the doctor tells you to take, prescription. P-R-E-S-C-R-I-P-T-I-O-N, prescription. Now G. A person who visits places, tourist. T-O-U-R-I-S-T. H. An area lower than the surface around it. Plains. These are the answer of exercise 4. Write down all of you. Write down answer 4. Now, exercise 5. This heading, add 1 or 2 letters to these words to make new words. Each word has a clue. One has been done for you. Make air into something to sit on. Chair. Air में से chair बनाया. ये बनाया गया है. Now B. Make on into words that means single. That means one. इसका meaning होना चाहिए single one. Then C. Make H into common liquid, that means इसमें से क्या बनता है water. Now D. Make or into place near a harbor, port. P-O-R-T, port. Now E. Make H into word that shows how tall something is, height. H-E-I-G-H-T, height. F. Make load into the cotton like things you see in the sky, cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Now G. Make HOP into place where things are sold. जहाँ sold होता है, that means shop. S-H-O-P, shop. Now H. Make men into a group of ladies. Well, that is women. W-M-E-N, woman. Okay. These are the answers of 5. Now exercise 6 is your homework. That is, some faces are there. Here are some emotions draw for you. Can you guess how they are feeling? Write it under each picture. Use the word given in the box. कौन सा word दिया गया है? Surprise, deeply, puzzled and happy. ये वर्ड को आप लोगों को और एक एक फेस यूज करके उसके अंदर उसका आंसर लिखना है. ओके, कंप्लीट दैट फेसेस नेम. कैसे आपको दिखता है? फर्स्ट वन हैप्पी हो तो हैप्पी उसके नीचे लिखना. देन सेकंड वन पजल्ड हो तो पजल लिखना. देन थर्ड वन सरप्राइज है उसके नीचे सरप्राइज लिखना है. देन डी में जो है वो वीपी है तो वीपी लिखना है. दिस इज फॉर योर होमवर्क. नाउ टेक page number 58. page 58. Look, let's learn grammar. From here we start with grammar work. Simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense में he, she, it. That means he, she के साथ s लगा के simple present tense में verbs आएगा और I, we, you, they third person के साथ there is no s there in with the verbs. Okay, breathe, jump, tease, have, grow, eat. और he, she, it में क्या आया? Breathes, jumps, tease, has, grows, eats, etc. Okay, so we have to write down the answers of the exercise 1, page number 58, exercise 1. Look, choose the correct word from the brackets to fill in the blanks. Remember, if it is dogs, the verbs do not be taken an extra. Yes, dogs है तो उसके साथ हम लोग apostrophe yes लगाएंगे नहीं. Okay, dogs are of the dogs dash of different breeds and sizes. तो क्या आएंगे? Dogs, that is a plural, so answer A. Dogs are. The R is the answer here. Choose the answer. दिया गया क्या है? Is और R दिया गया है. Okay, so choose the R. Then B. Some dogs dash to about 3 feet in height. So some dogs grow. क्या आएंगे? GROW, grow. So choose the word grow, grows. इसमें से एक चूज करना है. Now C. A dog dash very fast. A dog आया. A dog dash swims तो dog आया है सिंगुलर है इसलिए क्या आएंगे? स्विम्स आएंगे. क्या आएंगे? स्विम्स आएंगे. ओके, आंसर इज स्विम्स. ओके, नाउ डी. Dogs dash the company of human being. The dogs आया है वापस. Dogs dash loves. तो क्या आएंगे? There is a plural here dogs, so we write here love. Okay, then E. Some dogs dash at every animal they see. Some dogs, that also plural. Some dogs. तो क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग इधर? बार्क और बार्क्स आया है. क्या आएगा? बार्क. तो क्या आएंगे? Some dogs. क्या आया है? Some dogs. तो क्या आएंगे? Some dogs आया प्लूरल है इसलिए हम लोग लिखेंगे इधर BARK, bark. The answer is bark. The dogs आया इसलिए love. Okay. Now F. A trained dog. Led leads. ATRAINED. Trained dog. एक dog के बारे में है. then क्या दिया गया है ऑप्शन में? led leads lead. तो क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? एक ट्रेन डॉग. एक के बारे में इसलिए हम लोग को लिखना है leads. LEADS leads. Okay, now write down G. I'm not going to write down this word. What is the sentence here? A dog dash always loyal to its master. A dog और dog क्या है, is और r आया है, r dash is क्या आएगा आंसर में, a dog is क्या आएगा आंसर में, is, आंसर is. Now catch. Some small dogs dash makes या make excellent pets. Some small dogs आया है तो क्या आएंगे, dash. Options are make, makes, makes क्या आएंगे, dogs आया इसलिए क्या आएंगे, make. The answer is make. Then HGHI. A dog does not sleep much. It dozes. It dash. ये तो एक के बारे में है, it क्या आएगा, dozes. D-O-Z-E-S. तो क्या आएंगे इधर, dozes. The answer is dozes. D-O-Z-E-S. Okay. J. A police dog. एक के बारे में क्या, dash. A police dog dash. Options are find, finds. तो एक के बारे में है इसलिए कौन सा आएगा, a police dog finds. F-I-N-D-S. Answer is finds. Okay. Then G-A-J-K. Look, a dog. That also a dog. A dog dash have or has. The singular है इसलिए क्या आएंगे, has. A dog has. These are the answers of exercise 1. Let's learn grammar, page number 58. Complete the exercise, all of you. One exercise here. I am going to complete that exercise. That is exercise 2. Page number 58. Exercise 2. What is written here? Exercise 2. Write the past tense of the following verbs. Some verbs are here. You have to write down. Exercise 1. Sit. S-I-T. Sit. Sat. Present tense. पास्ट टेंस लिखा है, प्रेजेंट टेंस दिया गया है, तो मैं लिख रही हूँ प्रेजेंट टेंस, इसका पास्ट टेंस इधर लिखिए, पास्ट टेंस उसी वर्ड का. ओके, लुक, सिट, सैट, देन स्विम, swam, then grow, G-R-O-W, grow, grew, G-R-E-W. Then look, looked. Then write, W-R-I-T-E, write, wrote, W-R-O-T-E, wrote. Then buy, B-U-Y, buy, boat. B-O-U-G-H-T, boat. Then bring, B-R-I-N-G, bring, brought, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought. Then fly, F-L-Y, fly, flew, F-L-E-W, flew. Flow, F-L-O-W, flow. क्या आएगा पास्ट टेंस फ्लो का आएगा फ्लोन, F-L-O-W-N. Then read, बोलना रीड प्रेजेंट टेंस में है. The spelling is same, R-E-A-D, read, but R-E-A-D, read. Then pronunciation is read. रीड को प्रेजेंट टेंस में हम लोग रीड ही बोलेंगे और पास्ट टेंस में the spellings are same but the pronunciation is read. रीड का पास्ट टेंस read. So write down this all past tense of this present tense, past tense. Okay, all these words past tense. Write down all these words past tense fast. Now you have to note down your today's homework. Complete the exercise box of page 57, 58 in your टर्म बुक. नोटबुक में नहीं लिखना, टर्म बुक के कंप्लीट करके आपको पोस्ट करना है. ओके, दैट इज योर होमवर्क. टर्म बुक में कंप्लीट करने के बाद आप होमवर्क में पोस्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, till the next video, have a nice day.